Coming up next on ATETV. Remotely operated vehicles.
There are immense career opportunities in this at the moment. You know, if you know your stuff, they are only too happy to take you up.
And environmental technology.
There's definitely a lot of hands-on how to use the equipment to prepare you for the workplace.
Now on ATETV. From across the country to your own backyard, ATETV shows you the many advanced technological education opportunities available at your local community college. We're going to dive right in today with a visit to the MATE International ROV competition. Students have designed and engineered their own remotely operated vehicles for the underwater competition, and the industry has taken notice.
This camera, you can kind of see where you're lined up.
And we'll let you know when we think we have a good reading.
Okay. This is the MATE International ROV competition. ROV competition is a remotely operated vehicle. You can think of them as underwater robots.
There are immense career opportunities in this at the moment. You know, a lot of the technical fields are hurting for people, and if you know your stuff, they are only too happy to take you up, and they continue training you, pay for school. It's you know, a lot of stuff. It's just great to be in compared to some other fields. So, you know, I like it.
There is a lot of opportunities right now. Just in my company alone, I know I hear all the time of ROV pilots are in short supply, divers are in short supply, and engineers are in short supply. So there's a lot of opportunities.
Our company uses this as a scouting maneuver. We see kids and they're operating under difficult conditions, the same thing we'd see in the industry. So it's a great opportunity for us to see what you do under fire.
What's our time? What's our mission time?
We've got 4 minutes remaining.
Okay. We got it. Yeah, you got it, dude. You got it.
I hope to walk away from this competition having met some potential employees. My company's involved in this because it gives us the opportunity to meet a lot of up-and-coming engineers and scientists in the industry.
Other team ready to retrieve sample?
We see the future of our industry here, both on the engineering side and on the technical side. It also gives us an opportunity to collect resumes from young engineers that will graduate next year, and give us first opportunity to snatch them up.
So, are you guys ready for your mobilization period? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For me, it's actually very heartening because I see that there is a future, that there are people interested in doing this, that you know, our business is not going to be one that's you know, dies due to lack of talent. The talent is there. Some of these kids show incredible strokes of genius when they put these things together and operate them.
Yeah, that was awesome. That was a really good recovery.
I love this field. I want to keep going in education in this field. I'm hoping to definitely work in this field in the future. All kinds of things. Like, I've always been in the water, so it kind of came natural to me. So I hope to keep going that way.
Industry is using competitions like that one as a scouting ground for new employees. They see participants of the MATE program as the future of their industry. If you're interested in learning more about ROV programs, be sure to visit your local community college. Up next, we're headed to Cape Cod Community College for a look at their environmental technology program. If you're looking for a career working outside of an office and collecting data, then environmental technology might be for you. Take a look.
My name is Stephanie Brady, and I work here at Cape Cod Community College. I'm the Senior Special Coordinator for Environmental Technology. Environmental science encompasses all different types. It's science, technology-based, it's learning about politics, so it's a lot of different disciplines within environmental technology. It's a broad field.
So take your regular readings, use your chain of custodies to fill in as you collect the water samples, and then we'll meet back up here to run those water samples. Any questions?
Here at Cape Cod Community College, we have an AA degree in environmental studies, and we have an AS degree in environmental technology. And the AA degree is more of a broad-based liberal arts degree for students who want to transfer to a four-year institution. And the AS degree has more hands-on technology-based, and students get trained to work in the field.
So you're going to start with a bailer, and I'll start calibrating the probe.
The classes are really interesting.
They're pretty challenging, but what I like most about the environmental field is going out and collecting data and all that. And so far, I've been able to get a taste of everything that's going on.
There's definitely a lot of hands-on, and it's supposed to give you quality, how to use the equipment that's already out there in the labs, and to prepare you for the workplace.
And here is Stephen's well water sample. As you can see, there are some solids in there.
We have an advisory board that's composed of industry experts, organizations that hire our students. They provide feedback for our curriculum to make sure we're teaching students what they want, so when they go into their internship or apply for jobs, they actually have the skills that the industry folks want. And also the industry folks teach our classes. So we're really fortunate here on Cape Cod to have this educated workforce that they come here and they want to teach.
Every day in the class we have a guest speaker come in from all kinds of companies related to the field to discuss what they do and their programs, and you can get a good idea of what's out there.
What I hear, particularly the ones that hire our students, is the fact that they're job ready. They know the instrumentation, they have the math they need, they have the writing skills, the oral communication skills, so they're very well prepared at the AS degree level to join the workforce.
Okay, and you're set to turn it off and reel that up, please.
With the help and input from industry experts, those students are getting the skills and experience to graduate job ready. For more information on environmental technology programs near you, or for more information on anything you've seen today, explore our website at atetv.org. Thanks for watching.